Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the jump feature in Rocket League replays. This powerful tool allows you to quickly navigate through your recorded matches, skipping forward or backward in precise increments. It's incredibly useful for pinpointing key moments, analyzing specific plays, or simply reviewing highlights without watching the entire game. Mastering this feature will significantly enhance your replay analysis efficiency and help you improve your gameplay, saving you valuable time. Activating the jump feature is straightforward. On most controllers, you'll use the left or right bumper buttons, while keyboard users will have specific keys assigned. Each press of the jump button will typically advance or rewind your replay by a consistent increment, usually 5 seconds. This allows you to quickly traverse the timeline. Pay close attention to the on-screen time counter to ensure you land exactly on the moment you wish to analyze, making your review process much more precise. To truly maximize the jump feature, try combining it with other replay controls. For instance, jump to a key moment, then activate slow motion to meticulously dissect a complex aerial play or a crucial save. You can also rapidly jump between different player perspectives or the free camera view to gain a comprehensive understanding of the situation. This allows you to compare your positioning with teammates or opponents, isolating critical sequences for repeated viewing and deeper analytical insight into your gameplay. For effective replay analysis, always review your matches from multiple camera angles, not just your own. This provides a holistic view of the play. Focus on specific aspects such as your boost management, rotational efficiency, or critical decision-making moments. Use the jump feature to quickly revisit instances where you made a mistake or executed a brilliant play. Identifying these patterns, both positive and negative, is crucial for refining your skills and ensuring continuous improvement in your Rocket League performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.